Ministry of Housing announced a number of regulatory measures to prohibit non-Omanis ownership of lands and real estates in certain areas, as per the Royal Decree number 29/2018. The regulations include transfer of ownership of all lands and real estates in the places limited to Omani citizens no later than Thursday, November 19th, 2020. The legal disposal of ownership of the lands granted to non-Omanis by the state in the prohibited areas within 2 years of the date of losing the Omani nationality, revoking it or withdrawing it, and activating the legal procedures for the lands and real estates whose owners have not transferred the property located in the prohibited areas to Omanis within 2 years from the date of transfer of ownership. The measures also include stopping planning transactions that would cause a change in the nature of lands or real estates owned by non-Omanis in the prohibited areas, and the requirement for a no objection certificate when non-Omanis rent properties in the prohibited areas, and the transfer of usufruct contracts for lands and real estates in the prohibited areas no later than the 8th of June 2022. In the coming days, the Ministry of Housing will begin receiving applications to extend the time limit for owners of lands and real estates located in the prohibited areas, whose ownership has not been transferred to Omani citizens. The extension will be only granted for 1 year. For the Sultanate of Oman Television, Saleh bin Khalfan al-Rahbi.